Hey everybody, this is ROADBLOCK with the Defense Channel, and today we're going to be looking at TCG Anadolu, the new amphibious warship being built for the Turkish Navy. TCG Anadolu is a warship being built by the Turkish Navy. The ship was built and designed as an amphibious assault ship that can operate as a short takeoff and vertical landing carrier for the F-35 Lightning multi-role fighter. However, Turkey has been excluded from the F-35 program, and it's been reported that the ship will be operated as a drone carrier and operate unmanned aircraft. TCG Anadolu may have begun to look familiar in photographs as its construction went along. This is because the ship is largely based off the design of Juan Carlos I, the amphibious assault ship operated by Spain. The Turkish version of the vessel is 761 feet 2 inches long, displacing around 27,000 tons. Its reported range is around 9,000 nautical miles, and the maximum speed is 21.5 knots. Weapons and electronics are developed by Turkish defense manufacturers Aselsan and Havelsan. Turkey intended to purchase the F-35B short takeoff and vertical landing variant for operations aboard TCG Anadolu. However, in 2009, due to Turkey purchasing the S-400 air defense system from Russia, the U.S. removed Turkey from the program, citing the CATSA sanctions on Russia. They then decided to outfit the ship with their usual complement of helicopters, supplemented by their successful domestic unmanned aerial drones, such as the Bayraktar TB3 and an unmanned jet fighter that is currently under development. The ship has 20,200 square feet of cargo space for equipment and containers and amphibious assault vehicles, as well as 12,500 square foot for landing craft to operate from in a dock. There's an additional 15,200 square feet available for storage of tanks and other equipment. The crew will consist of 261 personnel, including 30 officers, 49 NCOs, 59 leading seamen, and 123 ratings. In February of 2022, TCG Anadolu began her sea trials. In November of 2022, she completed her helicopter landing trials, and the ship is expected to be commissioned into the Turkish Navy soon. Now, I know this was a relatively short video, but that's all I got for you guys today. This is ROADBLOCK with the Defense Channel. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.